Senses of the spring. A sense of calm lingers in the light as the backyard stream comes to life. Dogs chase an unknown entity as their ball magically falls into the pond, and their off-kilter expectation is short-sighted about who is going to retrieve their prize. Spirit has a way of showing up and giving peace that is unexpected. It can be through the light filtering through the trees, or the chimes moving with magic sounds of the waterfall. Our connections to Source always comes forth with grace in moments of uncertainty, if we are paying attention. It is up to us to understand that our connections to the oneness that we seek is always with us, and just shows us flashes of what is to come with sights and sounds of remembrance of the ultimate spring.